I mean, we should talk about Trevor Milton, right? I feel like we got to at least mention this.
Trevor Milton.
Friend of the pod, Trevor Milton. He received a
Can't wait to have him on.
Full and unconditional pardon from President Trump after the president called him personally. He posted a little bit about it on his Instagram. Wall Street Journal said, he calls himself the greatest comeback story in America is about to happen.
Was that Fire Festival you said was the greatest comeback story in America?
No. Now Trevor Milton's self-describing himself.
Milton.
Right. Trevor Milton, he's saying he's the greatest comeback story.
All right. Trevor Milton, for background, created a company, came on this podcast. He made a bunch of false claims. SEC pinched him. He went to jail. The company Nikola, which was going to charge per mile to have hydrogen-based trucks and eventually electric trucks on the highway to people like Budweiser. They were going to do, sort of trucks as a service. Had all the patina of an, groundbreaking startup. And, the government found maybe it wasn't. So he's been pardoned.
Seems like there might have been some backdoor dealing going on here. His lawyer is Brad Bondi, the brother of Attorney General Pam Bondi. Milton and his wife donated more than $1.8 million to Trump's fundraising committee in October.
And that's another coincidence.
Recall also that back in 2021, Trump gave a full pardon to Anthony Lewandowski, and at the time, the White House said that pardon was strongly supported by, Alex put a whole list here together, James Ramsey, Peter Thiel, Miles Ehrlich, Amy Craig, Michael Ovitz, Palmer Luckey, Ryan Peterson, Ken Goldberg, Mike Jansen, Nate Schimmel, Trey Stevens, Blake Masters, and James Proud, among others. Founder
Fund coming out strong there. So, congratulations to Trevor and Anthony for
getting away with it.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. I guess.
Okay. But on the show on Wednesday, we were talking about a startup that was accused of maybe playing slightly fast and loose with the data and the importance of accounting. Jason, you were talking about information rights and deals and how ethics really are important, no matter where you are in the business game. And then 2 days later, here we are, Mr. rolling a truck down the hill to pretend that it works, writes a small check to the
1.8 mil is a pretty big check, actually. As far as donations in politics go, I think that's pretty significant. It's not the 5 million XRP gave.
Should have picked up Trump coin. Then we wouldn't know who it was. It would just be numbers in a wallet somewhere.
Yeah. It's disappointing to me. I think it sends a really bad signal to the market that you can do bad things and get away with it. Putting the politics of it aside, just making it very neutral, I don't think that's good for the business climate. And I think it sends a bad signal to founders.
Yeah, all of that is probably true. And there is a long list of people getting pardons who shouldn't. And this is a very weird moment to live through. But apparently, if you write the check to the right person, or you know the right people, the law does not apply to you forever. It applies to you for a period of time, and then it may not apply for you for another period. Let's keep moving through the docket.